Welcome to the Word 2016 module on inserting hyperlinks into your document. For the purpose of this training, you can open the file called Reference Doc. Now basically this is a 31-page document, so you can scroll down and see it's basically a duplication of the same pages over and over and over again. Now when we create hyperlinks in documents, it's there to get us from one place to another really quickly. So there's various types of hyperlinks that you can use. So for example, if I wanted to hyperlink this particular sentence so that it could take me to another place in the document really easily, I can use a link. I can also hyperlink to a website. I can hyperlink to open my email and email somebody, or I can hyperlink to another file. So in order to do this, select the data that you'd like to create as a hyperlink, go to the Insert tab on your menu, and you'll see under the Links group, you've got Cross-Reference, Bookmark, and Link. So in this case, I'm going to go to Insert Link. This is the text that it's going to display. I can actually change this, so I will say this is a link to a website, and we can actually call it Google. And this first option is an existing file or a web page. If you had to choose an existing file, keep in mind that if you had to email this document to someone, if the file does not exist on their computer or their network, they wouldn't be able to open that link. But for this case, we're going to use a website. So I'm going to put in google.com and click OK. That will now link to the website. If you had to PDF this Word document, you could just simply click on the link. But because it's a Word document, the minute your mouse goes over the link, you'll see it gives us the name of the website, and you actually have to hold down Control and click to get and open that particular link. It will then go and open Google for you. If we go back and we want to link now to an existing document, let's select the data again, insert a new link, and we're going to link this to an existing file. So let's link this to one of our Word documents that we've worked on in previous modules. We'll link it to the formatting document. And we'll put there link to formatting documents. And once you've done that, you can click OK. That will now link to that particular document. It'll ask you, do you know where the document is coming from, as it could be potentially a security issue. I'm going to click yes. It will then open in another document that particular document, but keeping in mind, provided the document is accessible to me either on my computer or on my network. The next link we're going to create, and keep in mind you don't have to keep going through the menu to insert links. You can also right click the data and choose a link, is we're going to link to a particular place in this document. So what we'll do is we'll say click here to go to the last heading, and my tech will say click here for the last section and click OK. So you can see on the bottom left that we are currently on page 1 of 31. If I have to control click that, it'll take me to page 30 to the last heading text, which is exactly what I needed to do. And when you've got very large documents and you need to reference certain sections, clicking to a particular section is very helpful. The next thing we're going to look at, which is the last one, is linking to an email address. So I'm going to choose link. You can also choose to create a new document, or very popular, an email address. So we could put a click here to email us. The email address that it'll go to is, I'll put on a standard email address. The subject that'll automatically be pre-filled is query from documents. And then you can click OK. And when the person control clicks, it'll automatically open their email program and create a subject where they would just have to fill in the message and they can email the documents. Keeping in mind, in Microsoft Word, you still have to control click to follow the links. Once you've PDF'd this document, you can then just click on the links to get to where you want to go.